Start with what you have. The tools on your desk, the quiet hours before the world wakes up, the spark in your head that won't quit. Your mindset is your real capital. Invest in focus, in patience, in showing up every day for your idea. Open the notebook, light the screen, build from...
Your skills are worth something. Instead of waiting for perfect conditions, scroll through the opportunities that fit you. Local gigs, remote projects, part-time shifts. It's all here. Save the ones that excite you. Apply with a tap. Leverage your skills. Find opportunities, not...
If you can make it, you can market it. Post your art, your crafts, your digital designs. Turn a kitchen table into a storefront. Share the process. Let people fall in love with what you create. Sell what you can create. Monetize your talents. Create.
The best ideas rarely grow in isolation. They flourish when you share them, when you let someone else add a line or ask a question you hadn't considered. Build relationships. Connections are your currency.
Think solutions, not excuses. When things feel stuck, remember, every gear can turn, every idea can spark. Every problem hides an opportunity.
You don't need a massive budget to grow. Use the tools that are already within reach. Track what matters, learn from the data, and keep moving up. Scale with free tools. Use what's available. Make it work. Free.
When you believe in your idea, it shows. The way you explain the problem, the spark in your voice when the solution clicks, that's what investors remember. Pitch with confidence. Share your story. Because the story isn't just what sells the product, it's what sells you.
First earnings in hand? Time to choose wisely. Reinvest, don't splurge. Let your profit build momentum. Compounding creates strength. Reinvest, grow, repeat. Reinvest, don't splurge. Let your profit build momentum.
That little pop-up? It's more than a notification. It's proof that your idea reached somebody out there. You packed it with care, sent it off into the world, and now the journey has begun. Celebrate every win. You've earned this one.